Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2016 Chevrolet Silverado. This Silverado is featured in the LTZ trim and is a black paint finish. It includes features such as heated front leather bucket seats, a backup camera with adaptive guidelines, a soft rolling tonneau cover, driver's seat memory, heated powered mirrors, our black alloy wheels, a power assist step, and much more. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, above our door handle we can see we have our power driver settings with two settings, chrome finish door handle, our powered mirrors with fold function, power locks, power windows and rear window locks, some storage in the rest of the door, as well as our speaker. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel we have our integrated trailer brake controller, transfer case settings, as well as all of our lighting controls. Power driver's seat finished in our jet black leather. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster. In the center we have a driver information system. Left hand side of the steering wheel we have our cruise settings. Right hand side we have our voice recognition, hands-free, as well as the controls for our display cluster information system. Moving to the middle, we can see our infotainment system. If we go into audio, we can see we have AM, FM, as well as Sirius XM, as well as Bluetooth media, have a phone connection, a phone projection, OnStar navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, you can see our backup camera with our adaptive guidelines. Below, we have volume controls, radio, media, home and back buttons, our menu controls, eject button for our MP3 player across the bottom, and our seek buttons. Then we have our dual zone climate control. You can see we have our AC, front and rear defrost, sync on the passenger side, can scroll our wheels for our temperature gauge. Then we have our heated driver seat and heated passenger seat, traction control, and our high bed lighting across the bottom. Various power plugs in the front of the vehicle, from left to right, two USBs, two 12 volts, and a 120 volt plug. Some storage for devices on the front as well as in the bottom. Two cup holders, wireless charging pad on top of our leather finish center console. Inside, some deep storage, 12 volt plug on the driver's side, and we have our two USBs and an auxiliary input on the passenger side. Moving to the driver's or passenger seat, it is also finished in our jet black leather and is heated and powered for the passenger. Lastly, moving above the rear view mirror, we have our dome light settings for the front of the vehicle on either side, universal garage door opener, power sliding third rear window, dome lighting for the whole vehicle, and a sunglass holder. Now moving down the side of the vehicle, you can see we have our wheel flares. Moving down to the front tire and rim, we have a black alloy Pro Comp rim with an all-terrain tire. Moving out, we have our chrome finished mirrors as well as chrome door handles. Power step across the bottom of the vehicle. All the way at the back, we have our corner bumper step. All of our trailer provisions as well as our Silverado and LTZ badging. We have our easy lift and lower tailgate. In the bed of the truck, we have our cable tie-downs in the front and the back, tonneau cover, as well as our spray-on bedliner. Moving into the back of the vehicle, you can see we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as some storage in the rest of the door, and our speaker. Inside the vehicle, storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat. Between the two front seats, we have some storage next to a 12 volt plug, and some storage in the bottom. Moving to the seats in the second row, we have a 60/40 fold-up bench finished in our jet black leather. In the center seat, we have two foldable cup holders, a sliding third rear window. Lastly, if we lift up on the bottom of the seats, we can fold them up in a 60/40 folding split to make some additional storage. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2016 Chevrolet Silverado. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.